everyone, it's John with AlarmSystemReport.com, and today we're going to share our rankings for the top alarm systems out there. Before we get started, please be sure to check out all of our alarm system rankings and full company reviews by clicking the links in the description below. So let's get started. First, it's important to understand how we do our rankings. We have contracted several alarm system experts that have independently submitted their rating on each alarm system company. We look at several characteristics of each company and give them a rating on a scale of 1 to 5. These are the characteristics we look at, but we also look at things like Yelp, the Better Business Bureau, and AngiesList for reviews, ratings, and customer feedback. There are tons of alarm systems out there, but we are primarily focused on the ones that you should be seriously considering and that have at least 3.5 stars according to our ratings. So, here is our list of the top alarm systems. In first place, we have FrontPoint Security. FrontPoint dominated most of our categories with their wireless and cellular alarm systems. They have the best customer service, great equipment, and really stand out as the clear choice amongst our alarm system experts. In a close second, we have Protect America. Protect America ranked well and competes with FrontPoint Security in most areas. Their alarm systems were also a favorite amongst the experts we hired and are a leader in the wireless alarm industry. Next, we have ADT in third place. Obviously, ADT has been around for a long time, but their recent acquisition of Broadview makes them a strong competitor. They're a little pricey and usually requires professional installation, but it's ADT. With ADT, we also have Broadview in fourth place. Broadview is basically ADT. They have the same business model and basically offer the same services. You could go through either to get a great alarm system, but it's going to cost you a little more for the name. In fifth, we have SafeMart. Great company, decent pricing, and definitely a company that is on the move. In sixth, we have Guardian Protection Services. Read our review to see how they got up on our list. In seventh, we have Vivint. Vivint is one of the fastest growing services and should be higher on our list, but they're still a little young for us. They could become the next Vonage for alarm systems. Read their review below if you want to learn more. In eighth, we have Pinnacle Security, which is a good alarm system company. The only issue is that when stacked against the competition, we feel that there are better solutions. In ninth, we have LifeShield. They've been around for a while and are pretty popular. They have some improving to do to move up against companies like FrontPoint and Protect America. To finish up, we have AlarmForce in 10th place, a popular company and 10th out of thousands of alarm companies. But it's tough to compete with some of the companies above with this criteria. So that's it, the top 10 alarm systems to look into when it comes to securing your home. Be sure to click the links below to read our full reviews at AlarmSystemReport.com and check out our video reviews for each company on our YouTube channel. Cheers!